Do you want to automatically add Zoom meeting links to your Calendly events, saving you time and reducing errors? Connecting Zoom to Calendly is straightforward and can greatly streamline your scheduling process. This video will show you how to seamlessly integrate these two powerful tools. We'll cover everything from initial setup to advanced features, ensuring your virtual meetings are effortlessly managed. As of January 4th, 2026, this integration remains a popular tool to streamline virtual scheduling and conferencing. First, log into your Calendly account using your credentials to access the dashboard. Navigate to Integrations in your account settings to manage third-party connections. Find Zoom in the Integrations list and click Connect to begin the authorization process. You'll be redirected to Zoom's authorization page, where you can review the access permissions. Grant Calendly permission to access your Zoom account via OAuth. This secure, one-time connection allows Calendly to create meeting links on your behalf without sharing your credentials. Once authorized, you'll be redirected back to Calendly, where the connection is complete. To configure event types in Calendly for Zoom meetings, start by selecting which events should include video conferencing. In your Calendly dashboard, navigate to the Event Types section, where you can see your existing meeting types and their configurations. You can either edit an existing event type or create a new one specifically for Zoom meetings. In the Event Configuration panel, you'll see sections for event details, scheduling options, and location settings. In the What Event Is This section, locate the Location field and select Zoom from the drop-down menu. Once Zoom is selected as the location, Calendly will automatically generate a unique Zoom meeting link for each booking. The Zoom link is generated using Zoom's REST API, which creates a unique meeting ID and passcode for security. This ensures each meeting has its own secure access details. The generated Zoom meeting details, including the URL and password, are automatically embedded in the booking confirmation and calendar invites. With this configuration, every booking for this event type will automatically include a secure Zoom meeting link, streamlining your virtual scheduling process. Calendly uses Zoom's API to create unique meeting IDs and links for each booking. This ensures every scheduled event has its own secure connection. The generated URLs include passcodes for enhanced security, requiring participants to enter the correct code to join. These links expire after the meeting concludes, mitigating potential risks from stale or compromised links. Calendly's API updates in 2025 allow for real-time link refresh, further enhancing security by keeping connections current. These links are automatically embedded in confirmation emails and calendar invites, making it easy for participants to join. Take advantage of Zoom's AI Companion integration, available since 2024 and enhanced in 2025. With this enabled, Calendly can generate personalized meeting agendas based on event details, attendee roles, and topics. The AI uses natural language processing to analyze the meeting context and suggest relevant pre-meeting prompts. This results in personalized agendas that help structure your meetings more effectively. According to Gartner, this feature, along with AI-assisted scheduling, saw a 35% increase in adoption in 2025. The Zoom Calendly integration fully supports Zoom's mobile app for iOS and Android devices. Participants can join meetings scheduled through Calendly with just a tap, ensuring a smooth experience on smartphones and tablets. Android users also enjoy complete compatibility, allowing seamless access to virtual meetings from any Android device. This cross-platform support eliminates device barriers in professional settings. In addition to mobile apps, the integration works through web browsers like Chrome and Firefox. Users can click Zoom links from Calendly emails to join meetings directly in their browser without downloading additional software. This multi-platform approach ensures a consistent and convenient meeting experience regardless of the device used. It greatly enhances accessibility for remote workers and supports hybrid workplace models where employees switch between office and home setups. When troubleshooting Zoom link generation issues in Calendly, start by verifying that your Calendly and Zoom accounts are properly connected and authorized through OAuth. Check your Calendly account settings under Integrations to ensure Zoom is connected via OAuth authorization. Look for a green Connected Status indicator. Double-check that the correct event type in Calendly has Zoom selected as the location. Go to Event Types, edit your event, and confirm the location field shows Zoom. If issues persist, try disconnecting and reconnecting the integration. In Calendly's Zoom settings, click Disconnect, then reconnect via OAuth to refresh the authorization. For persistent problems that don't resolve with the above steps, consult Calendly's help documentation online or contact their support team directly through the app. Remember to check for any recent updates to both platforms, as features and security requirements can change. Following these steps should resolve most integration issues. Connecting Zoom to Calendly streamlines your scheduling, reduces manual errors, and enhances the overall experience for you and your invitees. By leveraging features like automated link generation, AI-driven agendas, and mobile compatibility, you can optimize your virtual meeting workflow and focus on what matters most: productive conversations. Remember to regularly check for updates to both platforms to take advantage of new features and security enhancements.